Ngimilana ngingedwa kodwa ngiqinile. Ordinary girl futhi inhliziyo yami iqinile. They thought I'd break, but I learned. Intombazane ejwayelekile akukho crown, kodwa impilo yangiphonsa phansi ngavuka khona. Treasure depots iwe left and right, abanye basithatha, mina ngisalwela my life. Ngadlule ebumnyameni ngingesabi, ngakhala ngaphakathi kodwa ngizami ngilahle kwewe. I walk through the dark, angikhethanga usathane nento ngayifunda nje indlela asebenza ngayo. Angizange ngidele, angizange ngidele noma bekumnyama. Angizange ngidele, angizange ngidele noma igazi libomvu ngeheart in my soul, but I said no. Ngimi ngoNkulunkulu, he's my base, he's my core. Angizange ngidele, ngingedwa ngingedwa kodwa ngiphukile. I bleed, but I don't fold. God on my side, I'll never let go. Yena uzimele selfish fool, ucabanga ukuthi angilawule ngihlale njengetuli. Ukulola kuyindlela yakhe, uthando akalwazi. Ushiya manxeba athi that's just life. Sorry, red blood lusty, kodwa mina ngimi angiphili ngentukuthelo, ngiphila ngeqiniso. Ngawubona umdlalo, ngawazi ama-tricks, that's why angisona isiZulu, I don't mix. Angizange ngidele noma bekumnyama. Angizange ngidele, angigazi libomvu, they wanna my soul, but I said no. Ngimi ngoNkulunkulu, he's my base, he's my core. Ngathi ngizodeda kodwa ngidedana, ngathi ngizoyeka kodwa ngasinda. I almost gave up, ngiyavuma kodwa izwi ngaphakathi lathi khuleka, sukuma. Ngimi ngephutha ngasophile, ordinary girl kodwa ngisona isizulu. Ngiphume ebumnyameni ngikhanya, ngisaphila ngimile ngisenoNkulunkulu.